Now we will consider a Gram-Smith orthogonalization procedure giving four signals: S1 of t, that is from 0 t by 3, S2 of t from 0 to t by 3, and S3 of 3 from t by 3 to t, and S4 of t is from 0 to t. Now if you see this signal, S of 4 of t will be the addition of this one and this signal. So they are not linearly independent signal. So first we will obtain phi 1 of t. So with the formula, as I told you in previous video, S1 of t energy is the integration of the limit. So if you consider S1 of t, the integration, the value is from 0 to t by 3. So you can put the limits here and put the formula S1 square of t dt. Now the value of, you can see S1 is 1 square dt is equal to t by 3. So from the equation, previous equation, as I told you, phi 1 of t will be equal to S1 of t value divided by E1. This is E1 here. So this value will be, so you can write this equation, this will be 1 over, S1 of t is 1 value, so 1 over, this is t by 3, root t by 3. For, this is very important, this is only till from 0 to t by 3 or 0 elsewhere. You can also write it like this. It can be written as root 3 by t for t less than equal to t by 3, and it is from 0 to t by 3. So continuing, now we will obtain phi 2 of t. So phi 2 of t is S21. So this will be 0 to t. Again, limits will be like how much you are having, and S2 of t into phi 1 of t dt. So now S2 of t, what is S2 of t according to the diagram is from 0 to 2 t by 3. So this can be written, the limits will be 0 to t by 3, 1, S2 of t is 1, phi 1 of t is 3 by t dt. So this can be written as 3 by t into t by 3 equal to root t by 3. Now, how will you calculate the values? So, S21 phi 1 of t is equal to root t by 3 into root 3 by t. So this is for the value of t less than equal to t by 3 and more than equal to 0, and this is 0 elsewhere. Now we will draw it. So this can be further solved. This if you solve it, this will be 1 for the value. The value is t, 1 for the value, t is less than t by 3 and more than equal to 0 and 0 elsewhere. So you can draw, first you draw S of 2 from the value. The S of 2 from the question itself, it was 2 t by 3, and this was t and this was 1. So this was S2 of t, and the value of S21 what we calculated now, phi 1 of t, we will just draw it. It is the limits were t by 3 and t by 3, and this was 1. So we have to calculate from this. So from this figure, if we can obtain G2 of t. So we'll subtract S2 of t minus S2151 of t. So you just subtract it. What is the value you are getting? You are just subtract this. You have to subtract S2 this minus this. So what you will get? You will get this value. You will get, I'll write the value, you will get 0. This will be the answer, which is not superposing. You will get 0 for when t is less than t by 3. From 0 to t by 3 it is coming 0, and 1 for t is less than 2t by 3 and more than t by 3, and 0 for t is more than 2t by 3. So this is the value of G2t. Now this same value we can substitute it and calculate. So G2t in OG, G2t in OG will be calculated. Eg2, you can say, first write the formula, 0 to t and G2 square of t dt. This will be the limits what we are getting here. We are getting 1, so we will use this limits, the value for 1. So where this G2t is there, so we will get the limits as t by 3 to 2t by 3, and the value is 1 square dt. So from the above equation we can calculate phi 2 of t. This is G2t over root Eg2. So this will be 1 over t over 3, and this is the value for t less than equal to t, 2t over 3 more than equal to t by 3, and 0 elsewhere. So this value is root 3 by t for t less than equal to 2t by 3 and more than equal to t by 3, and 0 elsewhere. So this is the value. Now we obtain phi 3 of t. From the equation we can say g of I of t is equal to si of t minus summation j equal to 1 to I minus 1 si of j phi j of t, with I is equal to 1, 2 to n. Now n equal to 3. So gi of t, putting in this equation, gi of t is equal to si of t minus summation j equal to 1 to I minus 1 si j phi j of t with value I equal to 1, 2, 3. G3 of t will be equal to S3 of t minus summation j equal to 1 to 2 S3 j phi j of t. So this will be equal to S3 t minus S3151 of t plus S32 phi 2 of t. Sij is equal to 0 to t si of t phi j of t dt. Now this will be S31, this will be 0 to t of S3 t phi of 1 t is dt is equal to 0 because no overlapping in S3 of t and phi 1 of t. So S3 of 1 will be equal to 0 as no overlapping as S3 of t and phi of in phi 1 of t. Now S3 2 is equal to 0 to t, S3 t phi 2 t dt equal to integration t by 3 2t by 3 1 into root 3 by t dt. From the equations we can substitute previous one, root 3 over t by 3 equal to root t over 3. Now S31 phi 1 of t is equal to 0 and S31 is equal to 0. So S3 of 2 phi 2 of t is equal to t root t3 t by 3 and root t by 3 by t. So this is the value for t less than equal to 2t by 3 more than equal to t by 3, or it will be 0 elsewhere. So this can be calculated as 1. So this will be 1 and 0 for value t less than equal to 2t by 3 and more than equal to t by 3 elsewhere. Now substituting the values in the G3 of t is equal to S3 of t minus S31 phi 1 of t minus S32 phi 2 of t. So this will be equal to S3 of t minus S32 phi 2 of t, as this is 0. Now we will draw it G3 of t. G3 of t equal to, we will see the values, 0 for t less than equal to 2t by 3 more than equal to 0, 1 for 2t by 3 less than equal to t less than equal to t, and this is 0 for t more than equal to t. So we can draw the values. This is S3 of t from the question itself. So S3 of t from the question itself, it was from t by 3 to t. This was t by 3 and this was t, and this was this G3 of t is from t by 3 to 3 by t. So this is t by 3 to t by 3. This is all t's, and this is S3 2 phi 2 of t. Now we'll calculate EG3. We'll calculate EG3. This is 0 to t G3 square t dt. So from the value, the superimposing value t by 3 to 2t by 3 from the diagram. So we have value from the diagram and we'll integrate it. So this will come t by 3. So calculate phi 3 by t will equal to g3 of t root eg3. This will be equal to 1 over root t by 3. This is this value or 0. This is from t is ranging less than equal to t and 2t by 3, or it is 0 elsewhere. So you can write phi 1 of t, phi 2 of t and phi 3 of t. Draw it. Phi 1 of t is from this is root 3 and this is t by 3, this is 0, this is root 3 by t, this is phi 1 of t. Then we have phi 2 of t, this is from t by 3 to 2 by t by 3 to 2t by 3. The value is root 3 by t. Phi 2 of t. Finally, the phi 3 of t you have from 2t by 3, 2t by 3 to t. So this is phi 3 of t. This is the answer.